Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'll show you how to fix automatically applications are starting up when you restart your PC. For that, simply click on the Windows icon, then click on the settings, and then here you need to click on the accounts. Now here you need to click on the sign in option on the left side, then scroll down and you will get an option automatically save my restartable apps when I sign out and restart them after I sign in. So make sure you turn off this option so that the option actually start up your applications, and might be you did it by mistake or something else, so I don't know about that, but this is the option guys. You need to turn this option off and your problem has been solved. I hope you like this video. Please hit the subscribe button and share it with friends. If you have any question, then just drop your comment. I'll try to respond to you as soon as possible. For me, have a good day. Bye bye.